this is Jen from Newton's Nook Designs, and today I'm going to give you a closer look at our brand new July products. This month marks the 9-year birthday for our company. Can you believe that? It's so exciting. Time has gone so quickly, and we are so excited to share our birthday with you. We have a whole release filled with birthday products, including an oval set, some mice, some cats and dogs, balloons, and new paper too. I think you're going to love it. What I'm going to do is walk through each of the items individually, and then I will show you a card that I created using that item. Okay, let's get started. Our first set is called Birthday Oval, and this is a 4x8 stamp set, so it's nice and large, and you get a lot of items. You get a large oval, which has a border filled with balloons and presents and birthday hats, some confetti too. Everything you need for a happy birthday. And then you get a whole bunch of sentiments that are perfect for creating birthday cards. Happy birthday to you, birthday wishes, take time to celebrate, hip hip hooray, happy birthday, and then 2 little ones that can be combined with the others. So you could say happy birthday to someone special, or happy birthday a little late, which if you're like me, I'm always sending out birthday cards late. So that's perfect for that. Now, all of these sentiments can fit in the center of this, in this orientation vertically, or they'll fit this direction too horizontally, which gives you a lot of options for your cards. This is the 3rd oval in our set collection of oval designs. We also have one with flowers that we released around Mother's Day, and one with flamingos, which we released last month. So you can go to our website and look at our oval category to see them all. And they all go with this oval die set. It's called Oval Frames, and it includes stitched frames and then some that have scallops that work perfectly with the stamp set. So this stamp will fit inside this second to biggest scallop frame, and that will also fit in this plain stitched oval. Let me show you how that works. So here is the one that's that stitched oval with the scallops. And you can stamp your image and cut it out using that. It will look like this. And this image is designed to be used any direction, so you don't have to worry about putting it right side up or upside down on your card. And then you could also cut this image out with the second die there. And it cuts off a teensy bit of the edge of the image, but not that much. And it still looks perfect. And you can frame it then with the next larger oval. So that's how that works. Super fun, super versatile. Let me show you a card I created. So I created this fun birthday card that says, Happy birthday to you. So I used that sentiment in the center, and I colored it using watercolor, Zig watercolor brush markers. And I used that scalloped edge oval on this one, and then I used the larger oval behind it, and that will also fit on your A2 size card. You could also use an A7 size card, the 5x7, if you like bigger cards. So it's sized to fit both sizes. And behind it, I used our confetti stencil to add a bit more confetti with a little bit of glittery paste. So you can see how quick and easy it is to create a card using this set. Next, we have our birthday party paper pad. Now, this is our newest in our collection of paper pads, and this one is filled with everything birthday. So we've got balloons, candles, cupcakes, confetti, party hats, gifts, little loop-de-doos, more balloons, a birthday cake, stripes, birthday presents, and confetti that you might find on the top of a donut or a cake. And you get 2 of each design, and then of course you can go the other direction too and see more patterns. So you have lots of options for birthday cards using this super fun birthday paper. Let me show you a couple of cards I created. For the first card, I used our Frames and Flags die set to cut out a white scalloped rectangle that fits just right on the front of a card. And then I put a panel on top of that of yellow. And that, if you're curious, is 4 3/4 by 3.5. And that will fit just inside that stitch line. And then I chose 5 different patterned papers and cut a strip out of each one that's 3/4 inches wide by I think 3 1/4 inches tall. So those fit centered in that panel. Then I took the sentiment "Happy Birthday to You" from the birthday oval stamp set, and I stamped it onto a circle from our circle frames die set. So that makes a really fun, quick, and easy birthday card, and it's a great way to use all those fun prints together. I did another card. This time I made a cute little birthday gift. So again, I chose 4 papers this time and cut them out, again, 3/4 inch wide. And these ones are 2.5 inches tall. And I stacked them together and added some twine around it so it looks like a wrapped birthday gift. Then I added the "Happy Birthday" in the center, and that is also from the birthday oval stamp set, and is stamped on a banner, which is from the A7 Frames and Banners die set. And then again, I used the Frames and Flags die set for this rounded rectangle, and another piece of paper from the birthday party paper pad in the background. So you can see how you can make really simple, quick, and easy cards using the paper. So many options. Next up, we have our birthday mice stamp set. Now, if you like our mice, we do have a few other ones. There's garden mice with flowers in the spring. There's naughty or mice for Christmas. And there's one more. Oh, autumn mice in the fall. So our mice are great for any season. And I thought it would be fun to create a birthday set. So here we have a mouse holding a gift and some cheese, because who wouldn't want cheese for their birthday? A mouse holding onto a balloon, floating up and away. And then these 2 mice are sharing a giant cupcake. So cute. And for sentiments, we have "Happy Birthday Big Cheese," which goes perfectly with the mouse holding the cheese. Have a mice birthday, which goes with any of them. A little birthday gift and birthday hat, which is great for adding on to any of the other mice. And then we have "Eek," which you could pair with "It's your birthday" or "Eek, I missed your birthday." Again, great for belated birthday cards. This set does have a die set available as well, sold separately. Let me show you what I created using this set. My first card, I used the "Have a Mice Birthday" sentiment with the cupcake mice. Aren't they so cute hugging that big cupcake? And of course I added a little hat on him too to add a little finishing touch. The background was created using the oval frames die set and a little bit of grass from our land borders die set. And the background is one of the fun papers from our new birthday party paper pad. So cute. Then this card uses the other 2 mice. So we've got the mouse floating up into the sky with his balloon, and the one holding the gifts and cheese. And I cut circles out of solid colored cardstock, and I put "Eek" on one of them. Then I just use this one to help him pop off, and then I put "It's your birthday" on that one. I added the cute little birthday gift and the little birthday hat. The background is, again, a piece of paper from our fun new birthday party paper pad, and it was cut out using the scalloped edge from our Frames and Flags die set. Who wouldn't like to get that birthday card? So cute. It would make me smile. Next, we have our Sky High Celebration stamp set. Now this set features 2 really tall images. These are perfectly sized to fit on the front of a card, or you could actually use them on our bookmark die set. They are sized so that they will fit on that as well. This one features a puppy floating up into the sky with a bouquet of balloons, and you got it, Newton is hiding in the balloons. Plus, there's a cute little birdie too. This one has a puppy peeking around the pile of gifts and 2 kitties. That would be a fun birthday party. Included sentiments are sending piles of birthday smiles, which goes great with this big pile of presents, or get carried away, which goes great with this set with the balloons. And you could definitely use this for things other than birthday too. Plus there's a little cloud. There is a die set available for this as well. Here's what I created using that set. I chose to use the pile of gifts with the 2 kitties and the puppy, and I colored it using bright watercolor markers again. And I cut it out, and then I layered it onto this rounded rectangle, which was cut out using the Frames and Flags die set. And I used the same die set to cut out the scalloped piece here, again from the birthday party paper pad. On this one, I chose the gift paper because I thought it matched perfectly with that image with all the gifts in it. Isn't that cute? And then for the sentiment, I used sending piles of birthday smiles. What an adorable birthday card. Okay, now we have one more thing. Last but not least is our Bokeh Balloons stencil set. Now this is a fun 2-piece layering stencil design, and you can see that the second layer, or the opposite layer, is etched onto both stencils. So if you want to line it up exactly the way it was designed, you just use that etching to line it up with the other layer. And it doesn't matter which one you do first, you can always match it up with the other. Isn't that fun? It's great for making 2 color patterns easily. Here, I'll show you a few. Here is one that uses red and yellow. Now in that case, the red's a little dark, so you don't really see the overlap as well. But if you use 2 colors like blue and green, you can see where they overlap. You kind of get a transparency like balloons get, and that's super fun. Here's another one in horizontal, and this one uses yellow and green. So many options that you can do with this. Now, if you wanted to, you could just use one of the 2 stencils, and then you would get something like this, which would also make a really cool background. If you're very careful, you could mask off and use more than 2 colors. Some of the design team did that, so make sure you check out our website to see a whole bunch more projects. But you can see how in this case I used, I think, 4 colors instead of 2, and just use them randomly over both layers, and that creates a really fun, colorful effect. The other thing I tried was on this one, if you can see, I used a translucent paste on the second layer, and that creates like such a cool effect for those balloons. Really makes them look transparent. Okay, then the card I created for the blog is this one here, and for this one I created the 2 layers of balloons, and again I used a few different colors. I went darker blue to lighter teal on one layer, and then I used like a minty green on the second layer, and that's a really cool effect. The cool thing about the distress inks is you can really see that overlap. Isn't that cool? And then I simply added clouds across the bottom using our Sky Borders die set and just offsetting them to create 2 layers of cloudy borders. And then I used Take Time to Celebrate from the Birthday Oval stamp set and a little bit of twine. So that is everything for this month's release. I hope you enjoyed seeing all these products today. I'll walk you through them one more time so you can see one last look at all the fun things you can create using our brand new things. And if you're like me, birthday cards are probably the cards I send out the most. So you definitely want to have a lot of those in your stash. I hope you can head over to our shop, check out our new birthday items, and check out the birthday category too, because there's lots of other fun things in there too for creating birthday cards. And then all the ones I just showed today will also be available in the new category. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing all these products, And I hope you have a chance to grab some for yourself and create birthday cards for all your friends. I think you're going to have a lot of fun with these new products. I know I did. It was so much fun making all these cards. Thank you so much for watching our video today, and make sure to like and subscribe to see content when we have future videos. Everything is available again at newtonsnookdesigns.com. Thank you and have a great day.